Hey, good evening, traders. Uncle Mike here, just for a little recap of what happened today in our open house and trading room. A couple of trades that I had taken. Let's take a look. These are all going to be on CL. First trade was here, came in on a retracement, got in right here, came down on this retracement, and the first trade we were in 5, 8, 8, and 13. I had a target of 20 on this with a 8-tick trailing stop, but once it hits 15 it moves to a 5-tick trailing stop, and we got as far as 18, and then it came back and took us out at 13. Let's go a little further in the day. Alright, we had another trade here. Came in, had our order there. I was instructing on ATM strategies and so forth to people who were joining us at our open house on the methodologies that I trade, and here's a mistake, and don't do this, folks. I put this in. It had a trailing stop, okay, and the trailing stop went too quick. The target was different, so I never hit my first target where I would have had 5-5, and then I would have been stopped out. Break even, but what happened is I was stopped out -2 on all 4 contracts. So that's what happened in this trade. We'd have been stopped out anyway, but made a mistake on the dome. Hopefully you don't do that. Here's our other trade. Had an entry here, come on in, and we got in here. We got 5, 5, 10, and 20 is what I took out on that trade. Sat through some more boring action. Actually, we're out to lunch, came back. I came back at 1:30, and this one was a jump in on the trend. It came down, waited for the retracement. We actually entered on this arrow here. Let me move it. Entered here on this, and it was 5, 5, 10, and 15. Now those are my typical targets. I do move them around, sometime 1 at 5, 2 at 10, 1 at 15 or 20. The way it was moving in such small steps, I looked, set the target 5, 5, 10, 15, hit it, and you can see hindsight's great. It went down a heck of a lot further. And that was it in trading for the day. The only other trade I got, and it was terrible price action this morning, was one on the ES. Haven't had a trade on the ES in ages. 1 point trade on the ES, and I actually had 2 break evens on the EC, and that was earlier in the morning. So that's how we ended the day. Hopefully you had a successful day out there. If I can help your trading in any way, visit my site, teachtalktrade.com, or sign up for one of the open houses you see there. But anytime, feel free to give me a call, and happy to speak with you and see how your trading's going and if I can help in any way. Have a great evening, and thanks for stopping by.